Now we'll need to jailbreak our Fire Stick. Head over to the little settings icon, come down to My Fire TV. If you do not have developer options listed, click on About on My Fire TV, click it 7 times on your select button on your remote, and now no need for a developer. Then developer options should be enabled. We can turn on ATB debugging, install unknown apps. On downloader, turn it on. This will allow downloader to install other applications that are not available on the Amazon App Store. Once that's on, we can head over to the 3 squares plus sign. Look for downloader. Use the 3-line button on your remote and move this app to the front, because this will be our new way to find applications. Now let's make sure we keep our online activity safe and secure.